Cryptocurrency markets are no stranger to extreme volatility, but even the most seasoned investors were taken by surprise when OHM token by MANTRA DAO crashed by 90% in April 2025. In just a matter of hours, the token's value plummeted from over $6 to under 50 cents. What caused this massive sell-off? Was it a case of reckless market behavior, or is there more to the story? Let's dig deeper into what happened to OHM token and what the future holds for the MANTRA DAO project. Before diving into the crash itself, let's first understand the project behind OHM token in MANTRA DAO. Launched as a decentralized finance platform on the Ethereum blockchain, MANTRA DAO aims to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the world of decentralized finance. Its unique selling point is tokenizing real-world assets, enabling users to leverage blockchain technology to manage physical assets like real estate, commodities, and more. MANTRA DAO offers a range of DeFi services, including staking, lending, and decentralized governance, where holders of OHM token can actively participate in decision-making. The platform strives to empower individuals by eliminating traditional financial intermediaries and giving them control over their financial destiny. The OHM token saw incredible growth in the months leading up to the crash. As DeFi exploded in popularity, MANTRA DAO positioned itself as a major player in the space. The platform's focus on real-world asset tokenization aligned perfectly with growing trends in decentralized finance, capturing the attention of investors. By early 2025, OHM token market capitalization soared past $6 billion, fueled by an increasing number of partnerships, a successful Layer 1 blockchain launch, and growing adoption. With listings on major exchanges like Binance, OHM token was flying high. Investors were optimistic, believing the project was on the verge of widespread adoption and revolutionary advancements in DeFi. But on April 13th, 2025, everything collapsed when OHM token price, which had been steadily hovering above $6, plummeted by an astonishing 90% in a matter of minutes. The token's value dropped to under 50 cents, shocking both investors and the crypto community. So, what caused this catastrophic crash? According to multiple sources, the root cause of the crash was a series of massive liquidations. Large holders, possibly including insiders, dumped their OHM tokens onto exchanges, creating a flood of sell orders that overwhelmed the market. This resulted in a snowball effect. As prices dropped, more traders were forced out of their positions, which in turn triggered even more sell-offs. It wasn't just a typical market correction, this was a crash caused by panic selling and low liquidity during an off-peak trading time. The MANTRA DAO team didn't waste time addressing the crash. CEO JP Mullen addressed the situation during a live AMA, explaining that the crash was due to reckless liquidations triggered by exchanges, not by any malicious actions within the project. The team also took to social media to clarify that the project's fundamentals remain strong and that all team tokens were still locked and subject to vesting schedules. They emphasized that the market conditions coupled with poor liquidity were key contributors to the crash. As Mullen put it, the crash occurred during a low traffic time on a Sunday night, making the market particularly vulnerable. So, let's break down why the liquidations were so devastating. First, it's important to note that OHM token had a relatively small circulating supply compared to its total supply. This meant that even relatively modest sales could have a huge impact on the price, especially when a large volume of tokens hit the market all at once. Second, many OHM token holders were using leverage, a common practice in the crypto market where investors borrow money to increase their positions. When the price began to dip, many leveraged traders faced margin calls, which forced them to sell their positions to cover their debts. As more traders sold off their holdings, it created a cascade effect, one that was compounded by the involvement of large whale investors who dumped their massive holdings onto exchanges, pushing the price further downward. The crash sparked intense reactions within the crypto community. Many investors who had been holding OHM token for months or even years were left reeling. Some reported losing significant amounts of money overnight, while others accused the MANTRA DAO team of orchestrating a rug pull, a term used when a project's developers abandon it, leaving investors with worthless tokens. However, not all reactions were negative. a core group of loyal OHM token holders maintained their faith in the project, arguing that this was just a temporary setback. They pointed to the team's transparent communication and their commitment to the long-term vision of MANTRA DAO. Despite the crash, they believed the project had the potential to recover and that this setback could be an opportunity for future growth. What do you think? Is the OHM token crash just a temporary setback, or is it the beginning of the end for MANTRA DAO project? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Will you be holding onto your OHM tokens, or is it time to move on? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth crypto news and analysis. See you in the next video.